Hello everyone, as you are seeing, I have a pen tablet which is battery free pen and a tablet 10 by 6 inch working area, but it has a problem with the working area. As you can see, it is the 10 moons G10 model and it is the cheap model. As I am writing on screen, you can see I have selected a pen and can write very smooth, but when I go beyond the mobile area, in this area you can see it only draw a straight line. You can see here from here. So the problem is in the tablet. Now I am going to show you how to repair this problem. As there is a grid of wires inside the tab and some of the wires are along the 10 inch side and some are along the 6 inch side. So the problem is in this type of wirings, because I can draw a line from top to bottom, there is no problem, no lag, but when I try line from this place to this place, then it can only draw, you can see, direct straight line. So we are unable to write here in this area because there is a problem inside the tablet. So I am going to show you how to fix it. Welcome to my workshop. First of all, I have to remove the screws. Some of them I already have removed. You can see I have removed the screws, some of screws under the pads, but still I need to remove one. Now remove the backlit. It is a cheap model, so there may be a little mess inside. You can see there is no grid type, only a aluminum foil and a steel or carbon type something foil is here, and I have to remove the tape, one from here. So I have take the foil out. You can see there is a bearing which is running horizontally, because there is no problem writing along this side. You can see it is 6 inch side, there is no problem, you can write anywhere, but in the lower side you can see another grid, but this is along the 6 inches. So I have discovered area and marked the position from this position to this position. because there is a problem in this area. So now it is time to see where is the problem. I have to inspect it manually. Let me find the problem where it is. These are the copper wires and are very thin. I need a magnification. You can see through magnifier. Let me find. Till that time I have to pause the video. When I find the fault, I will show you. Now it is time to show you the fault. You can see there is a wiring. This is the broken wire, so it is unable to pass the current from this place to this place, so the complete circuit in this area broken. You can see these are the two wires which I have to solder and make a proper connection. Then I have show you wait till that time. You can see I have soldered the wire. Now it is time to check does it resolve our problem. Now it is time to fit the assembly. I have tested, but I can show you in a little while. Let me fix the papers back. I have to work with two hands, so I need to stop the video. After assembling the tab, I show you the result. Now it is time to see the result of our repairing. As you can see, I am unable to write in this area. You can see I can draw on the whole screen, but before repairing I am unable to write in this area. Only straight lines be possible. You can see only straight lines, but now I can write anything or draw anything. The complete screen is working. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.